Jeff Hansen, Window World Supply. Check us out, windowworldsupply.com. We also sponsor a window cleaning forum. You can check the forum out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. The forum's great for tool reviews, general discussions, great for beginners to be able to ask questions, see what works, if it's techniques, if it's business end stuff, what it might be. It's great for experienced people because we get a chance to give back to new guys coming up into the industry so they don't make the same mistakes we might have made. But the forum's a great place. Supply companies just kind of getting started and adding new stuff all the time, so check back frequently. Today's video is introducing the 35-foot ovate standard pole that we offer. This is a 7-section pole, still has a heavy-duty butt end on it. It has your oval shape, so no spinning of your poles, guaranteed not to spin, it can't. The collars do less work because they're not spinning. They only control the length up and down is what it's holding it. The collars stay uniform, straight line all the time. Each pole section removes. It has a great indicator marks. Pole sections remove, have the indicator marks, and so your base section has a heavy duty button, but every other section has a thinner protective plastic material nylon that protects the carbon fiber, so there's a smaller protector on each piece, but your base section is going to have that heavy duty button just for extra wear and tear, extra wear. So our ovate 35 is the most cost-effective way to get into water fed with us, and we chose this pole because it's a 30T material, so it's a mid-grade material. So it's going to be rigid, but then the oval design gives you even extra rigidity, which helps that a little bit. So rigidity is important to transfer that scrubbing power to your brush without the flimsiness. So 30T is a great mid-level, mid-grade material. It's going to be good for your standard user. If you're doing residential only, 35 is going to be a great starter pole. The reason this is a great starter pole and why we sell this and why we chose to sell it like this is because we can get a customer to buy a 35-foot pole now, use it today, a month, 6 months down the line. Let's say in a year they want to go a little bit higher. They get a job that's 40 feet, 45 feet. Well, all you need to do is buy a 2-section extension, and that 2-section extension is going to take your 35 that you've owned for a year and turn that 35 into a 45-foot pole. So our 35-foot pole can go with you. We don't need to buy a whole separate section, a whole entirely individual pole separate. Add on to what you have, you still get that heavy-duty reinforced butt end on it, but it's cost-effective, grows with the user, great for entry level because we can add on to it. That's a look at the ovate 35-foot standard that can turn into a 45-foot. It's out here, Window World Supply. Check us out, windowworldsupply.com.